What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book Up Entertainment. So, Advocate Defo appeared, and spoke with Mbuyiseni Ndlozi on his show. And Advocate Defo is an angry man nowadays, and he went all out to Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, and said, if you have this so-called PhD of yours, don't just go around, undermining people. So for some reason, Advocate Defo felt that, what, he's being undermined for some reason, and he had to lash out at Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. So Advocate therefore asked Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, and said, who told you that I'm not an advocate? So somehow Mbuyiseni Ndlozi was kind of like referring to Advocate Defo as someone who is not an advocate. But what I realized and saw is that what actually raised Advocate Defo's tempo to be very, very high and angry is that he was not told, that Advocate Jerry Neal is going to be on the show. So they both appeared on the same show, Defo and Jerry Neal being questioned by Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, and Defo was not happy about being in the same room with Jerry Neal, because these guys, they sort of like differ in terms of their views with regards especially to the Meiwa case, because Advocate Jerry Neal believes the story of Gininda, therefore does not believe that story. So by bringing them in the same room, you're bringing two people with different views about the Meiwa case. So it actually made him angry, which ended up, causing the temperatures to flare up between Defo and Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. I'll catch you guys on the next one.